Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2019 Biology Past Question 57. In a Mendelian cross between pea plants that are heterozygous for flower color PP, that is heterozygous, with the what is the probability that the offspring will be homozygous recessive? So, A, we have 1 over 2, B 1 over 4, D, C 3 over 4, D 2 over 2, and E 4 over 4. Now, a Mendelian cross between pea plants that are heterozygous for flower color PP. So we have this first heterozygous plant crossed with the second heterozygous plant. Now, by crossing these plants for the first filial generation, we'll have this. So here we have the PP that's homozygous for this flower color, and then that's homozygous dominant for this flower color and heterozygous dominant for this flower color. Then we'll also have PP that's heterozygous dominant for this flower, and then small p homozygous recessive for this flower. Now looking at this, we have one homozygous dominant, which is this. We have two heterozygous dominants, which is this and this. Then we have one homozygous recessive, which is this. Now the question says, what is the probability that the offspring will be homozygous recessive? Now out of these 4 outcomes, just one is homozygous recessive. Therefore, the probability of homozygous recessive will be equals to 1 all over 4, and that is option B. So the answer is option B, 1 over 4. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.